In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Calendly scheduler in Unbounce. This is perfect for letting visitors book time directly from your landing page without leaving the page. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Calendly. Head to the official site and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page. Look for the Event Types tab. This is where all your bookable meetings live. Choose the specific meeting you want to embed. Click the ellipsis, or three-dot icon next to it, and select Add to Website. Calendly will show you a few embed options. Inline. Embed places the scheduler directly on your page so it's visible immediately. Pop-up widget adds a floating button that expands into a scheduler when clicked, which is great for persistent access across your page. Pop-up text turns a piece of text into a trigger that opens the scheduler in a modal, useful if you want a minimal look. After you decide which style suits your page, select Continue. Here, you can customize options like hiding event details or adjusting colors. Some design options may require a paid plan. When everything looks good, click Copy Code to copy the embed snippet to your clipboard. Keep that code handy. We'll paste it into Unbounce next. Open a new browser tab and search for Unbounce. Click the official link to open the site, then log in. From your dashboard, go to All Pages and select the landing page where you want the Calendly scheduler to appear. In the Page Builder, look at the left-hand editor panel and find the custom HTML element. Click it, then drag and drop it onto the exact spot on your page where the scheduler should show up. If you're using an inline embed, make sure the box is large enough so the whole scheduler is visible. You can resize the block to avoid scroll bars or clipping, and remember to check the mobile layout later for a good experience on smaller screens. A window will pop up for the HTML content. Paste the Calendly embed code you copied earlier into the HTML field. Double-check that the entire code snippet is included and that there aren't any extra characters. Select Save Code to apply the changes. Now choose Preview to test your page. Make sure the scheduler loads, that it opens correctly for pop-up types, and that you can move through the booking flow. If it doesn't appear, confirm the HTML block is placed correctly and that your browser isn't blocking scripts. Once everything looks right in Preview, you're ready to move forward with publishing.